right, so I'm about 45 minutes outside of San Diego, California, hanging out with Troy Johnson, one of my favorite Triple G judges. Now, Troy, where are you bringing me?
All right, now San Diego is right here in the extra like terrestrial solar system. This is way out in the middle of nowhere. San Diego was starving for barbecue. It had absolutely nothing. It was the moon of barbecue.
The moon of barbecue? Troy, it's a half-hour show.
You're just gonna like it, man.
This is Grand Ole BBQ.
It has good southern barbecue, which you don't get in San Diego often.
It's Central Texas barbecue, to be exact. And it's in owner and San Diego boy Andy Harris's blood.
My dad's from Texas. Spent a lot of summers in Central Texas area eating good barbecue. So I got a smoker, just trying to duplicate those flavors. I wanted to bring Texas to San Diego.
Eventually teaming up with Chef Ami Cisneros on a new kind of jam.
We really tried to marry both barbecue and entrees into one.
Borracho Beef Rib.
This thing elevates barbecue to the next level. From the buttery polenta to the queso and pickled onion relish on top, it's just insane.
What are we gonna make?
So we're making the El Borracho Beef Rib. We just season it with butcher grind pepper and salt.
Now, how hard is it way out here to find good help?
It's not as hard as I thought.
You got one of the best dishwashers, I'll tell you. Oh, speaking of which, we need him. Hey,
Yeah.
Troy, let's go. We're doing the show. Come on, hurry up. Oh, we just wanted you to say hi. Go back, get back to the restrooms. Troy Johnson, food writer here, Washington. I mean, this must be a classy joint.
Yeah.
Into the smoker?
Into the smoker.
How long?
4 hours.
And what kind of wood are we using on the smoker?
White oak.
Next is the chorizo for the...
Queso.
Got it.
Ground pork.
Some cheese and meat grease.
And this helpful culinary tip brought to you by Cheese and Meat Grease.
Some minced onion.
Garlic and jalapeno.
Ground paprika. Ground ancho. Guajillo. Espresso chilies. Argentinian salt. Toasted coriander.
Smells like a sinus clearer.
So we're making the queso. We're gonna start with the roux. Butter, flour, beer. It's a Mexican lager. Heavy cream.
It's a low-fat dish. It's like mouth Pilates.
Mouth Pilates. 1 point of Troy being funny.
Shredded cheddar. Smoked Gouda.
Oh, that's so good.
And American cheese. And then chorizo.
Like 5 Super Bowl parties in a pot.
Next, what do we have?
We got a relish, too. Pickled red onions, shallots, serranos, cilantro, lime zest, then the lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, corn chips. We crush them to order. Salt and pepper. Just mix it up.
Okay, put the dish together, sister.
Put the beef rib on top of the polenta,
Oh, that's tiny.
queso, and we top it with the relish.
Don't even grab anything, Troy. You don't need it.
I'll wash the dish when you're done.
Great smoke, nice bark.
Boy, that sounds really delicious.
Each bite gets better.
Really?
What I did is I first just started with the barbecue. Now I'm enjoying some of the queso and the relish.
It's delicious. I like just...
It's fantastic. The fresh relief that you're getting from this corn chip salsa is dynamite.
All right, let's get in there.
This elevates the barbecue to another level. I've done a lot of barbecue joints. I've never seen anything like this.
And that relish is totally San Diego, too. That Mexican flavor, those serranos in there.
That's legit.